Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Phil, and I'm a boy who enjoys playing with makeup. And so for today's video, we're just going to be doing a straight up get ready. Me and my Jeffree Star bag, getting ready real quick. I'm going out to the club tonight, and so I'm just going to throw on a quick look, just so I can get out of this house. But like literally everything... Neighbors are so fucking loud, I swear. But literally everything is like going wrong with my day. But yeah, let's get right into it. So today I took my car in because I got a flat tire the other day, and so I'm getting the tire fixed and the spare like taken off, and then the older tire placed back on. And they're about to close within the hour, and I literally got a phone call saying that they lost my car key. They think that one of the guys that was working on it earlier put the key in his pocket and took it home with him. Literally, like, the most inconvenient thing in the whole entire world. But thank God I don't have work tomorrow, so so it kind of works out in a way because I don't have to worry about, anything. I can just go get tomorrow morning. But still, that is super inconvenient, and it's like you had one job. So I'm going to skip foundation because this is just a quick go-to. I'm going to go in with the Kylie Cosmetics Concealer and just conceal my face. So what's new with everybody? What's the hot gossip? I just recently saw Taylor Swift in concert at the Rebel Tour. Reputation Tour for her album Reputation. So yeah, it was a lot of fun, I have to say. I live for a Taylor Swift performance. Here they are. Oh my god. So they lost my fucking key. They don't know where it's at. I checked my room. I checked my pocket. I checked everything. I do not have it. Maybe for some reason I took it. I doubt it because I took it specifically. Took it off my keys. Anyways, back to Taylor Swift. So I went to her show, super amazing. Like, I actually hate this album. I hated it before the show, but since this show happened, I am in love with the album. It's like blasting in my car every day since. But it's funny story, it's kind of how I got into her. So back in the day, this was right when her Speak Now album came out. I wasn't a huge fan of her at the time, but my friends got concert tickets to go see her, and last minute invited me to it, and I was like, ugh, she's gonna be super boring. She's just gonna sit there with her guitar and not be fun at all whatsoever. 100% blown away from her performance. I became a fan that night. So since I'm not gonna be wearing foundation today, I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty contour stick and contour my face. There we go. Alright, so anyways, so let's see, what else is new with my life? I went to go see Taylor Swift. Ooh, DragCon. Yes, I just recently went to DragCon. Super fun. I didn't really go to a lot of panels this year. I didn't really go online to meet a lot of queens, but I met Jeffree Star, which was fun. I didn't buy as much makeup as I normally do, which is always a good thing. But I was able to get some good pictures. I didn't stay at a hotel this year. Me and my friends, we all got an Airbnb, and that was such a difference. I mean, definitely has its pros, definitely has its cons. Pros being you get like your own room, like your own full apartment without, paying too much like you would if you had like a suite or something. Cons are there's like no room service, there's like no like towels being continuously washed. I mean, there was a wash and dry, so it's not like it couldn't have happened. Make sure that this contour is blended. I'm not about to go to the club with an unblended face. Also, I haven't filmed in a while. Sorry about that. I know I keep saying my videos every Wednesday I'll upload a new video, but these past couple Wednesdays I haven't. But hopefully that's soon about to change. One of my friends, he's practicing drag, and he wants to do a video with me, so that'll be fun. No, I won't be doing the drag. He will be doing the drag on himself. So probably be like a get ready. Or maybe he'll do it on me. I don't know. It's a lot of work, so that's why I don't do it. We're going to take a little bit more concealer and go underneath to snatch the cheekbones. Who is excited for summer? I'm not really. I mean, I'm not excited for the heat, but I'm excited for like the longer days. So that's fun. Okay, so now we're going to set the face. Tuck it back into the bag. We're going to take the Patrick Star, and then we're going to set the face using these two. We're going with our dirty blush Real Techniques brush. Blush Real Techniques brush. But yeah, so back to summer exciting plans. So in June, I will be going to Disney World. Super excited about that. And then I have a Pink concert that I'm going to. Super stoked about that. And then July, I'm going to my aunt's wedding. So that'll be very exciting. She's been dating her fiance for a couple of years, so that's exciting. And then August is my birthday. That is of the most exciting. So Gwen Stefani's having a Vegas residency show. I'm thinking I really want to go to that if it's only in July, I think, and then it picks up later in the year and then the next year. Jennifer Lopez, I really want to see her. But unfortunately, the dates in June, I can't go to any of them. And the last shows are in September. So I literally only have September to see her. Oh, I forgot to contour my nose. I've never contoured my nose using this. Although I see people do it. I want just a little bit more. Just snatch the nose. I mean, it kind of goes real sheer when you blend it out. So I'm not too worried if I mess up on the nose. I guess. I keep going out like this, which is really bad. This side, I get the spreads correct, but this side, I'm like doing it incorrectly. So it's not blending it out as cute as it needs to be. Okay, time to blend this nose. Please look cute. Please look cute. I'm like not even looking as I'm blending because I'm scared. I feel like that just took off the concealer. That's all that really did. Yeah, that's all it really did was just take off the concealer. So we're going to put more back on. Okay, so we're going to go in with the contour kit and just bam. RuPaul's Drag Race. I am so excited about this season. I'm kind of Team Aquaria. Yeah, I'm Team Aquaria. Let's see what else is in here. Their bronzer. Haha, there sure is. Take that bronzer and just bronze the face. Because you know, when you go to the club and you take like those flash photos, you don't want to look white, like flushed out, I mean. So this side is a little muddy. So what are we gonna do? Well, like math class, what you do to one side, you gotta do the other. So while I'm baking, we'll move on to eyebrows. Has anybody watched my Kat Von D video yet? If not, you should totally check it out. It's my review on the product. Spoiler alert, I love it. That's why it's in this video. So I'm excited to going out tonight. I haven't gone out in like forever. I've literally gotten this cycle of like, go to work, come home, sleep. I mean, obviously I hang out with friends in between those steps. But going out and having fun isn't something that I've been doing lately. I don't know, it's just a lot of work, you know, getting all ready, get everyone all together. It's just a lot of work. Rude. Well, these brows are not coming out good. It's because I'm rushing them. So yeah, I am super stoked to go back to Florida. I went last year for the first time ever. Actually, it was my first time on an airplane too. I wasn't too freaked out. I kind of just pretended that I was on a roller coaster, and that pretty much, you know, soothed any nervous feelings. I was there a couple of days before they opened that Pandora World, so I missed that. I actually did see it, like, you know, there, but it wasn't open yet. They were doing employee cast member previews at the time, but I did see it in person, like all done and like ready to go. And it looked really pretty. But what I won't be doing is Toy Story Land, because we go there like mid-June and it opens up June 30th. So we literally are missing it by like a week. Epcot, is that how you pronounce it? I love that park. I just love the whole like world part of it that's like around like the water thing, and you can like travel along like the side and like get like be like in different countries, cultures and stuff like that. It's really pretty and kind of cool. I wish we had something like that here. My favorite ride at Hollywood Studios is the Aerosmith ride. That one is so much fun. Funny story, first time riding it, I asked my friend, I was like, is there a loop on this ride? And she said no. So I was like, oh, okay, because if there's a ride with the loop, I like to secure my bag, you know, a certain way so it doesn't fly anywhere. So not knowing that there wasn't a loop, I was like, okay, well I can just like leave it on the floor, it don't matter. First thing on the ride, it is a loop. I'm like, girl, get your shit together. So their version of Disneyland, which is Magic Kingdom, they have the Snow White roller coaster. Like literally, that is like one of my most favorite rides. It is so much fun. I'm looking so forward to going back. We're going for a week, and we're also going to go to Universal Studios, and I am excited. Okay, so now that the brows are on, alright, so next we're going to go in with highlight, which is right here. Since I'm going to be in a club and with all like the lights and stuff, I definitely need to have highlight and need to be shining for the gods, just in case I lose my friends. They know where I'm at. And on this rare occasion, we're gonna go in with blush. I don't normally put on blush, but I saw this little palette and I was like, ooh, it's so cute. We're gonna go in with Rule Breaker. Just boom, boom. You want to go on the apples of your cheeks and go upward, not like that. Okay, so rude. I didn't realize that the camera stopped recording. I have a very old camera, and it literally only records in increments of 30 minutes. So I totally did not realize that it stopped. So yeah, I used the blush, and that's it. I'm skipping the lip because my lips are chapped. And I'm going to the club, so it don't matter. And then I finish off the face with this setting spray. And then I just fanned it in to make sure that it is locked in place. Anyways, so if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you enjoyed me, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And be sure to hit that bell notification to know every time I upload. Ideally, I want to upload on Wednesdays. I know I haven't been keeping up with that, but I hope to get back to that soon. If you wish to follow me outside of YouTube, then hit my social media links down below. And so yeah, so thank you so much, and have an awesome day, night, wherever you're at. And hopefully my car trouble gets solved tomorrow. Alright, thanks, bye.